How to download music from YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to download free music from YouTube Studio directly to your device. First, open Chrome on your Android device and go to studio.youtube.com. Log into your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Once logged in, if the page redirects you to the YouTube app, head back into Chrome and reload studio.youtube.com until you see the option to continue to Studio. Tap that. YouTube Studio will open in desktop mode, so pinch and zoom in to make navigation easier. From there, scroll to the left side of the screen and look for the music icon in the sidebar and tap on it. This will bring up a full library of songs that YouTube makes available for free download as MP3 files. Find a track you want, tap the play button to preview it first, then tap download on the right side to save it to your device. Once downloaded, you can open and play the file just like any other MP3 on your Android. Keep in mind, all the music available here is free to download and use. These are royalty-free tracks provided by YouTube, so you won't run into any copyright issues when using them in your own content. And that's it. If this guide helped you download music from YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.